Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to open notification bar or notification panel by swiping on the home screen. By swiping in home screen itself you can open notification panel. Now I swipe in the home screen but it's not opening the notification panel. But if you set to open from home screen itself, yes, you can easily open. Okay, first of all, to set, go to settings in our phone, then go to home screen, and here you have to turn on this button, swipe down for notification panel. Just turn on this button. Now go to home screen. Now swipe down anywhere on the home screen. Just swipe down like this and the notification panel is opened. Okay, see here. If you again swipe, notification, full notification panel will be open. Okay, so in this way you can easily open notification by swiping on the home screen itself if you turn on these settings. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.